Hi, welcome back to another video. If you are new here, welcome to my channel. Go ahead and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss any of my future uploads. And let's jump right into it. So today, as you guys can tell, I'm going to be going ahead and reviewing these gel polishes from Rosalind. They do glow in the dark, and they did send these to me a while ago, you guys, but I'm just now getting to them. So I'm going to do a quick swatch. I'll let you guys watch, and then I'll be back. Once I get all of my colors swatched, I did go ahead and cure it for 60 seconds. And here is how all of the colors look. Super pretty and pastel. And so now I'm going to go in, and I already did some prep, you guys, off camera today. I went ahead and pushed back my cuticles. I went in with my nail drill to go ahead and remove any dead or dry skin. And I did go ahead and clip and refile my nails. So now I'm going to go in and size up my nail tips. Since today I am doing the Gelx method, I'm going to use full cover nail tips for this design. I'm going to go in, size them up, and I did have to reshape and file some of them just so that they could fit my nails better. So just keep in mind that you may need to do that. And you just take your nail file really quickly and you just reshape it a little bit. And then I'm going to place it to my nails to make sure it fits. Once I have all of them sized out, I'm going to go in with the peel off base coat before I glue them on. Once I have my peel off base coat applied, I am going to cure that in my lamp, and then I'm going to move right into my application. So I'm going to take this 4-in-1 nail glue that I have, and I'm just going to place it inside the nail tip as you guys see here. And then I do make sure to leave just a little drop inside of the nail. And once you go ahead to apply it on your nail, you do want to go in at an angle, as you guys can see. And then I just slowly press it down until the base coat or the nail glue reaches the tip of the nail. Keep in mind that you can use a base coat to apply these as well. I'm using a 4-in-1 nail glue, but you can use either or. So now I'm just going to go ahead and do the same thing. I am giving it a flash cure, which means I'm just curing it for 10 to 15 seconds in a little lamp that I have off to the side. Once I get all of my full cover nail tips applied, I am going to go ahead and put it in my nail lamp and cure that for a full 60 seconds. Just to make sure that everything is completely cured. That way the nail tips do not pop off. And so here you go. As you guys can see, I do have the nail tips applied. Now I'm just going to go in and reshape and file just to get that nail shape nice and crisp how I like it. And I did go in with my nail drill as well around the cuticle area. And I like to just clean up around my cuticle area to make sure I get up anything that may have spilled out when I was applying the nail tips. and also just to make it look a little bit more clean and a little bit more natural looking. So I'm going to go ahead and do that really fast, and then I'll come back. Now I'm going to go in with my gel polish, and when I applied that first layer, it did look very streaky as I mentioned before, but I did do a total of 3 layers of the gel polish, and I did cure in between each layer. I did want to say I do recommend that you do at least 2 or 3 coats at the most, just to make sure you get that full coverage. And you get the full opacity of the nail polish, because like I said, it is very pastel, so it can look very light, or like there's no color to it, I feel like, but once I finished everything, you can see that purple a little bit more, a little bit better. So yeah, I do recommend going in with at least 2 or 3 coats of this gel polish. So yeah, I'm going to let you guys go ahead and watch this play out. I'm just going to go in and do my 2 coats on camera. Like I said, I did do 3 all together, but I will only show 2 coats. Once I do that, I'm going to move on to the next step. Once I get all of my gel polish layers on, I did cure that for 60 seconds, and here's how the nails look. I am going to go in and wipe them off with some alcohol on a lint-free wipe. Gel polish does tend to leave a sticky or a tacky layer behind once you cure it, so you do want to be sure to go ahead and wipe it down before you file or move on to the next step. And once I have that completed, I am just going to go in with a glitter gel polish. I had the thought to go ahead and add some glitter on top of these nails just to add a little something more to them. So I'm going to go in with a very thin layer of this glitter gel polish. Once I have it applied to all of my nails, I am going to cure it again in my lamp for 60 seconds. Once I get my glitter applied, here is how the nails look, super cute. And then now I'm gonna go in with some rhinestone glue, as you guys can see here. And then I did just go ahead and take out some purple charms that I like. Some of these I'm going to use, some of them I am not, but I just put out all the ones that I thought were cute. And I'm gonna take my rhinestone glue and I'm just gonna go in and apply them where I want them. I'm also going to add in some purple rhinestones as well. When I started this set, I knew I wanted it to have some glitter. I knew that I wanted it to have charms and just kind of be charmed out. And although I didn't go super crazy with the charms, I did add a good amount and I really love how they turned out in the end. So I'm gonna go ahead and let this play out, you guys. I'm gonna go ahead and let you guys watch me apply my charms. And you guys will see me like here, add some and then remove them. I just didn't like them with the set. And so yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and let that play out. Don't forget, if you guys are enjoying this video so far, please make sure to give this video a thumbs up. I do appreciate it so much. Also, if you are not subscribed already, please make sure you subscribe to my channel. I am trying to reach 500 subscribers so that I can do a small giveaway for my subscribers. And then once I reach 1K subscribers, I plan to do a bigger giveaway. So please make sure you are subscribing to my channel. I do greatly appreciate it. And I'm just gonna go ahead and let this play out. I did do the first two nails just to kind of make sure I liked how it was going, and I did. So then I'm gonna continue. I also forgot to add top coat before I put the charms on. You guys, you do wanna go ahead and apply your top coat first because you don't wanna try to apply the top coat around all those charms, which I did have to do to the first two nails once I realized that I forgot. So after I top coated those two nails, I did go in and top coat the other three nails. And then I went ahead and finished applying all of my charms and everything. So I'm gonna let this play out, you guys, and then I'll come back at the end once I'm finished and I'm ready to apply my cuticle oil. So overall, my opinion on this gel polish, I absolutely love it. I don't have any glow in the dark gel polish, so I was very excited to have this. And the overall just use of it, I really loved it. It went on really smooth. Like I mentioned, it was a little streaky in the beginning, which had me worried. But once I applied all of my layers and cured it, it all came together perfectly. And with the glitter and the charms, I just absolutely love how this nail set turned out, you guys. So I will be sure to leave everything linked down below that I used today. I'm not sure if they still have this gel polish available, because as I mentioned, they did send me those gel polishes a while ago, like last year. So it's been a while and I'm not sure if they're still available, but I will leave the link that I have down below. You guys can go on Amazon and check them out. They have some really nice gel polishes, a lot of different colors and kits to choose from. So I will be sure to leave everything linked down below. I absolutely love how this set turned out. The charms, the glitter, and then the glow in the dark. It's just like, I just love them, and I really missed having my long nails and everything. So I did keep these nails on for 2 days before I popped them off, because I just absolutely love them. And so yeah, now I'm going to go in with some cuticle oil, you guys. You got to make sure you add cuticle oil at the end of your nail sets. It just brings it all together and it just makes the nail set look honestly 100% better. So I'm going to go in with that, and that's pretty much all for this video, you guys. I hope you guys did enjoy it. Please leave me some reactions, some comments down below. If you have not already, please thumbs up this video if you enjoyed it, if you like this design. And also, if you are not already, please subscribe to my channel. And yeah, I'll talk to you guys in the next one. I absolutely love how this turned out. And you guys stay tuned to the end to see the glow in the dark pictures and videos that I have for you guys. I'll talk to you guys in the next one. Bye.